Now, one of the factors that could speed up the control of Ebola is an effective diagnostic process. And the minister says that such centers now exist in 5 states and the Federal Capital Territory. Our correspondent, Mary Alali Yusuf, reports.
There are now 2 new cases of Ebola virus disease in Lagos. The Minister of Health, who announced this, says their dead spouses, who were primary contacts of the index case, are among the 5 the nation has lost to the disease. He also reveals that the country now has 6 diagnostic centers to test for the Ebola virus.
We can diagnose within 24 hours. We can make the diagnosis within 24 hours. However, because of the strict protocol we have, when we make the diagnosis the first time, we repeat. I want to be sure what we are saying. We can make diagnosis now in Nigeria in 5 laboratories. 1 is in Abuja here. 1 now is in Enugu. In fact, 6 now. Abuja, Lagos, Enugu, Ogun State, the one belonging to Redeemer University. That's Ogun State. And then UCH, Ibadan. 6, Irwa is in Edo State.
And some good news from the Commissioner for Health in Enugu State, Dr. George Eze, who discloses that the nurse infected with the Ebola virus, who fled to the state but was later taken back to Lagos, has made full recovery. He also says that all 6 contacts of the nurse are under surveillance.
We also have traced the contacts of the person who returned to Lagos, and as we speak, the lady happily, there's a good cheering news for us in Enugu State. The lady has been discharged. So, she may have tested positive initially, but she tested negative consistently, and the husband, they've all been discharged.
Akwa Ibom State has no reported case of Ebola, but nothing is being left to chance at the government house, Uyo, as members of staff are subjected to compulsory screening with an infrared thermometer before being let in.
Don't want it to spread. For now, we know that it is at Lagos. We don't want it to get to other parts of Nigeria. That is why we are cautious going about this thing now. Okay. At least this device is infrared thermometer to detect the body temperature of a person. You know, the one cardinal symptom of this Ebola is high fever.
The test is to be repeated for each member of staff after 10 days. The Minister of Health has assured the nation that 213 secondary contacts are under surveillance while contact tracing continues. Mary Alale Yusuf, Channels Television News.